This is the elevator here at the Cheesecake Factory here in Westfield, Aurora in Skokie, Illinois. Unfortunately, this is gonna be my last elevator I'm gonna be filming because we have to go. But I might get the others the next time I come here, probably around November, to check out the relocation of the Bloomies from Bloomingdale's to Bloomies. Look at this. This is actually my first soft touch. Look at this. It's got a Matt BS replacement button. Interesting. Lantern's right there. 3. Oh my god. Here at 3. Oh. 1. These buns are so original. Interesting to see a soft touch with the Matt BS replacement. Get a cab view. Pretty nice elevator. Hello, indicator. Soft touch buttons. These are Matt BS replacement. Let's see, what is the capacity? I don't know. 88 volt. 25 inch mounts. Okay. All right, there it goes in. Doesn't run too bad for soft touch. All right, that'll be it.